Good morning, dear students. Today we started the classes after a break of 20 to 25 days of summer vacation. And here in the subject of accountancy, I continued where I ended last time. Today, in fact, we started the chapter number 3rd, and that chapter number 3rd was the change in profit sharing ratio. So here we will have to understand what this chapter is all about. However, it is a chapter, simple chapter, not very long chapter. See, in a partnership firm, the partners at any moment of time may decide to change their profit sharing ratio. So this change in the profit sharing ratio will bring the change in the agreement of the partnership. Whatever agreement they had, that agreement will be changing and new partnership agreement will be effective. So when this change is taking place, there are few calculations, few treatment or few adjustments which are made, and in this chapter we are going to learn those calculations, those adjustments and those treatment. So here you see, first thing, change in profit sharing ratio is one of the case when we will say a partnership is dissolved. Partnership means here the previous agreement is dissolved. Partnership is dissolved means previous agreement is dissolved and new agreement comes into form. And it is also termed as reconstitution of partnership firm. Old partnership firm is going to be reconstituted, reformed by bringing the change in the agreement. So this change in profit sharing ratio is the case of dissolution of partnership or reconstitution of partnership firm. First thing. Second thing, what are the different cases when partnership is reconstituted? So remember, there are 5 cases. First case, change in profit sharing ratio will reconstitute the partnership firm. Admission of a partner in the present partnership firm will also be the case of reconstitution of partnership firm. Retirement of a partner, death of a partner, as well as when 2 or more firms are coming together to form a new partnership firm. These are the 5 cases when partnership is said as dissolved or partnership firm is said as reconstituted. So always remember, in this chapter 2 things initially today we discussed, that were dissolution of partnership or reconstitution of partnership firm. What are those? And second thing, when this partnership firm is reconstituted, what are the different events, different circumstances when partnership is reconstituted?